In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an order form on Google Forms in just 5 minutes. We're going to build a clean and easy-to-use order form from scratch, and by the end of this video, you'll have it all set up and ready to share with customers. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First things first, let's open Google Drive. You can do this on any device. Once you're in your Google Drive, look for the New button, usually located on the upper left side of the screen. Click on that, and you'll see a drop-down menu with several options. From that list, choose Google Forms, and then click on Blank Form. This choice gives you a fresh canvas to work with, no pre-filled questions to slow you down, which is perfect for creating your custom order form. Now that we have our blank form open, the next step is to give it a clear title. This is important because it tells your customers exactly what they're ordering. For example, if it's a form for t-shirt orders, simply title it T-shirt Order Form. You want it to be straightforward and easy to understand. Beneath the title, you have space for a description. Here, you can add any key information that your customers might need to know, such as deadlines for submission, details on delivery or pickup options, or how they'll receive a confirmation once they've placed their order. Providing this information up front can reduce a lot of back and forth later, making the process smoother for everyone involved. Next, let's dive into adding your first question. The first thing we want to know is the full name of the person placing the order. For this question, select the short answer question type and make sure to mark it as required. This ensures that every order is tied to an individual, which is super important for keeping track of who ordered what. Keep the label simple, just full name will do the trick. If you like, you can also provide a short hint in the description under the question to guide how they should format their name. After the name, let's add another question for their phone number. Again, use the short answer question type and mark this as required as well. Having clear contact information helps you follow up quickly if anything is unclear, and it's always good to have a direct line of communication. Now let's add a question asking for order details. This could be something like the product name, color, size, or any other notes the customer needs to tell you. Set this question to required if this information is essential for fulfilling the order. We want to make sure we capture anything we might need to get their order right. To make the ordering process even easier, we'll add a multiple choice grid for item choices and quantities. In the rows, list your options. This could be different sizes or variations of a product. It's a good idea to include the price in each row label too, so it's transparent for the customers. In the columns, you'll add the quantities, typically 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. This grid format keeps everything organized and tidy, making it easier for customers to see their choices clearly. Remember, with a multiple choice grid, customers can only select one option per row, which is perfect for ensuring they only choose one quantity for each item. To further enhance your order form, consider uploading an image of the product in the relevant question. A clear photo can reduce confusion and improve the chances of completing a sale. Customers appreciate being able to see what they're ordering. Now that we've set up our questions, it's time to open the settings. Head over to the Settings gear icon and go to the Responses tab. Here, take a moment to review how responses will be collected and ensure everything aligns with your preferences for data collection and privacy. Once you are satisfied with your form setup, click on the Publish button. Before sharing, I highly recommend using the Preview option to see exactly what your customers will experience. Test the required fields, try selecting quantities in the grid, and ensure that everything reads clearly from start to finish. And just like that, your Google Forms order form is ready to go. Share the link, collect responses, and you'll start receiving organized orders in no time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.